Most people don't have a money problem, they have a system problem. You work hard, you get paid, and somehow the money disappears. You promise yourself that next month will be different, but it never is. And the scary part? It is not because you ray bad with money, it is because no one ever taught you a simple system. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step way to manage your money. Even if you're broke right now, stay till the end. Because the final step is what separates people who are always stressed about money from people who feel calm and in control. Let's start with the truth most people don't want to hear. Budgeting doesn't fail because it's hard. It fails because people skip the first step. Most people guess where their money goes instead of knowing. They think they spend about this much on food, around that much on shopping, but your bank statement tells a very different story. If you want control, you need awareness. For the next 30 days, track every single expense, every coffee, every online order, every bill. Use a notebook, an app, or your notes. It doesn't matter. What matters is honesty. When you do this, something powerful happens. You start seeing money leaks, small expenses that quietly drain your income. And the moment you see them, you can fix them. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to tell your money where to go. This is where budgeting comes in. And no, budgeting is not about suffering. A good budget doesn't make you poor. It makes you free. Use a simple rule. Split your income into needs, wants, and future goals. Needs are things like rent, food, and bills. Wants are entertainment, shopping, and lifestyle choices. The remaining part goes to savings or debt. The exact percentages don't matter at first. Progress matters. And here's the most important rule. Pay yourself first. If you wait to save whatever is left at the end of the month, there will be nothing left. Saving must happen first, not last. But even with a budget, life happens. Cars break down. Phones stop working. Medical bills show up uninvited. This is why the next step is non-negotiable, an emergency fund. Without it, every small problem becomes a financial disaster. Start small. Your first goal is not perfection. It's protection. Save your first $500 as fast as you can, then slowly build it up to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep this money separate from your spending account. This fund turns panic into inconvenience. When emergencies happen, and they will, you won't need credit cards or loans to survive. Now let's talk about the silent killer of wealth, debt. Not all debt is evil, but high-interest debt is dangerous. It steals your future money before you even earn it. If you're in debt, you need a plan. You can start by paying off the smallest balance first to build motivation, or attack the highest interest first to save more money over time. Choose one method and stay consistent. But no matter what you choose, there is one rule you must follow. Stop creating new debt. Every dollar you pay off is a raise you give yourself. Less debt means more freedom. Once debt is under control, this is where your money finally starts working for you. Saving and investing are not only for rich people, they are how people become rich. Even small amounts matter. $10 matters. $25 matters. Time is more powerful than the amount. Saving protects your present. Investing builds your future. Learn the basics, start simple, and don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time was yesterday. The second best time is today. Now here's the step that makes everything stick. Automation and review. Automate your bills, your savings, and your investments so progress happens without relying on motivation. Motivation fades. Systems don't. Then, once a month, sit down and review your money. Ask yourself what worked, what didn't, and what needs adjusting. Don't quit when you mess up, adjust. Wealth is built through boring consistency, not big dramatic moves. Let's bring it all together. You track your money. You create a simple budget. You build an emergency fund. You control your debt. You save and invest. And you automate the process. That's the system. Managing money won't magically make you happy, but it will give you peace, and peace is priceless. If you start today, your future self will thank you. So, tell me in the comments, which step are you starting today?